So, welcome to WSCI Studio. I'm your host Nivedita, and today we are here with.
My name is Arijit. I head sales and marketing for a beer brand called Lone Wolf. Um, Still new in the market, based out of North India, and very excited to be at ProWine.
Welcome to ProWine. I believe this is your first year,
This is actually my first year, yes, at ProWine, yes.
and it is also probably the first time that such a young company is here. How do you feel about being in a space with everything under one roof?
The experience was actually the main reason that I came to visit here. My brand, as such, is not registered in Maharashtra, so we are not part of this huge space right now. But my reason for coming here was more of interaction with like-minded people. Everyone from the alcobev industry, from North India and West India, probably from South India, are all here. And Provine is the biggest alcobev, platform, I guess, in that exists. So the main reason for me to come here was actually to network and talk and look for new opportunities that might arise for my young brand as well.
Considering that you say that you're a young brand,
Yes.
how young are you, and what was your purpose behind this brand?
Beer purpose behind the brand, I think, uh, when I sat with the management, with my co-founders, um, for the first time, the main agenda of the discussion was, as laymen, they were not happy with the quality of strong beer that was available in the market, and also the perception of what a strong beer is.
Mhm.
So in India, when we talk about strong beer, people generally perceive it as a harsh, bitter, or cheap beer,
Mhm.
which is actually not the case.
Mhm.
Strong beer is basically basically a lager with a higher ABV, right?
Right.
It's all about ABVs when it comes to beer.
Mhm.
So as laymen, what we wanted to do is we wanted to drink beer
Mm.
which is high on ABV but absolutely low on bitterness.
Is
It's
that something that
smooth
we
as
something that we
possible.
find in one of
Absolutely.
your categories?
Well, absolutely. So, if I talk about my brand, which is Lone Wolf, we right now have three variants. We have a light lager, which is a 4.8% ABV. We have a Belgian style wit, which is again a 4.8, 4.9% ABV. And then we have a strong, premium strong beer, which is also a lager at 6.4, 6.5% ABV. Our constant endeavor has been to create a recipe that is smooth and that goes down easy. And I think whatever feedback we have uh, gotten from our customers, from market in the last 2 years that we have been present, has actually been the same.
Right.
Uh,
In terms of trying to understand how uh, how available your beer
yes.
is,
Okay.
which states can I find it, and which states are you looking to expand to?
As I said, we are headquartered in New Delhi. So the states we currently in are three. We are in Delhi, we are in Chandigarh, we are in Goa. We are registering our brands as we speak in the states of Rajasthan and Kerala.
Right.
And by next quarter, which is the last quarter of the financial year, we should be uh, registering for Uttar Pradesh as well. So in total, by the end of the financial year, we should be operational in 6 states.
All these three states are very high when it comes to drinking beer.
Yes,
A huge
so
population,
absolutely.
as you're aiming for. Now, one more thing. Can we have something cooking?
Yes, so I don't want to get into specifics, but there's something cooking, and it's going to reveal itself very, very soon as probably the end of this month.
I hope WSCI is the one that makes the announcement.
It will be absolutely, because we as a brand have been working very closely with WSCI, I think, for the past 2-3 months, and I
Right.
think that's that association that has just begun is going to continue
With
further down the
0KM
line,
magazine.
right? Absolutely, with the WSI magazine. So anything new that we do will obviously, you guys will be the first to know, and
Perfect.
you will be the first probably to reveal it as well.
Perfect. Thank you so much.
That's it. Thank you so much.
Thank you.